Professor, how do you define consciousness?
Yes?
Everybody is talking about consciousness.
Yeah, exactly. That's also a good question. Consciousness. Okay? The space. That's the entity. Okay? The space. Space became what? First space became what? Yes? Yeah. First space became particle. That's right. Is that not? The space became the particle. Where from it got the motivation to go into particle? Who induced that to go into particle? Nobody else. Is that not? Nobody else. It is self-acting. Nobody else was there then. It is self-acting. The capacity to act self-acting capacity, that is called in English consciousness. The capacity to act by yourself, consciousness. That quality is called consciousness. Now you have that. Suddenly you may jump, you may get up, you can go out of the hall. Nobody asked you, but you can go. You have the capacity to do on your own. That is consciousness. The capacity to do by ourselves. That quality, it's only a word, that's all. It's called consciousness. In Tamil we call it arivu. In Tamil.
In Telugu?
In Telugu. There is a word, but in Telugu, but I'm not getting that properly. Jnana, something like that. Jnanam, right. Something like that.